year after the COVID-19 outbreak, we continue our search for innovative solutions that will help us bring our communities closer to recovery through research and development. To ensure that we efficiently strategize towards this goal, we are guided by the Harmonized National Research and Development Agenda in Health for 2017 to 2022. The DOST Philippine Council for Health Research and Development prioritizes the following research areas in its activities: Tuklas Lunas Program, or the Drug Discovery and Development Program; Biomedical Devices Engineering for Health; Omic Technologies for Health; Diagnostics; Functional Foods; Nutrition and Food Safety; Disaster Risk Reduction and Climate Change Adaptation in Health; Re-emerging and Emerging Infectious Diseases; ICT for Health; Mental Health; and the Archer Program. Tuklas Lunas is our drug discovery and development program which envisions to produce world-class medicines derived from the Philippine biodiversity, leveraging local expertise. The program has adopted a strategic framework which pursues these two tracks of development: development of standardized herbal drugs, identification and characterization of high-value compounds derived from marine and terrestrial sources for specific therapeutic indications. The priority areas for 2019-2022 under the program include the following: through the Biomedical Devices Engineering for Health, we aim to generate affordable, safe, and reliable hospital equipment and biomedical devices for supportive and therapeutic care for local health service provision and international markets. These are the sub-priorities under this program. The Omic Technologies for Health program utilizes information from different omic technologies in generating information as input to the development of precision medicine, diagnostics, therapeutics, and as a support to health and clinical practice guidelines and policies of the Philippines, focusing on diseases and conditions of relevance in the country. The current pandemic highlights the benefits of investing in omics research with the ongoing genomic surveillance of SARS-CoV-2 strains using cutting-edge sequencing and bioinformatics technologies. The omics program has 4 sub-priority areas as follows. With the pandemic, reiterating the importance of diagnostics in managing the spread of infectious diseases, our focus is on the following: the Functional Food Program also continues to support research studies tackling crops and food products that have possible health advantages beyond their distinctive nutritional benefits for the prevention of non-communicable diseases. 9 commodities were identified for research prioritization, namely: research on the mentioned priority commodities should follow the functional food framework with the following main components: characterization, establishment of health benefits, and product development. The Nutrition and Food Safety Program, on the other hand, seeks to address the human nutrition problems in the country, such as micronutrient and macronutrient deficiencies, overnutrition, nutrition-related diseases, as well as the current and emerging issues in food safety. The research areas are the following. As a disaster-prone country, we aim to mitigate the health effects of disasters and climate change in the Philippines through the DRR CCAH program. The priority areas are as follows. Disease emergence reflects dynamic balances and imbalances within complex, globally distributed ecosystems comprising humans, animals, and pathogens, and the environment. Extreme cases may cause pandemics such as COVID-19. Understanding these variables is a necessary step in controlling future devastating disease emergences, which is why we prioritize the following research areas. The Information and Communication Technology for Health program has provided significant contributions in disease modeling and remote healthcare service delivery during the pandemic. Long-term, it is also an important tool to achieve universal healthcare, as it enables access to and delivery of cost-efficient healthcare services. Through telehealth, healthcare professionals are able to deliver their services over a distance, particularly in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas. The ICT for Health program follows these research priorities. In response to the needed research and innovation for mental health, the Philippines Mental Health Research Agenda was launched on October 11, 2019. Being guided by this agenda, our mental health research program focuses on the following three themes, which are outcome-based: improved mental health information system, strengthened leadership and governance, and accessible, affordable, responsive, and holistic mental health services. These themes are further specified into the following priority topics. Though we follow this national agenda, we are prepared to respond to national emergencies. Such is the reason we launched the Addressing and Responding to COVID-19 through Health Research Program, or the ARCHER program. Our support to research for COVID-19 follows these priority areas. With the changing needs and challenges in health, the DOST-PCHRD, as the National Coordinating Agency for Health Research Efforts, commits its strengthened support to our researchers and institutions who share the same vision of making Filipino lives better through health R&D. We look forward to the partnerships we're about to share as we journey together on the road to recovery.